a credit report only is there to report what's there, right? It's not going to, it's not about debt elimination. It's not about dissolving your debt, consolidating your debt. It's none of those things. It's literally getting your credit healthy and credit worthiness back up again, so you can either get more credit or get in a better situation to get your interest rates down, get into that new home, get that new car, whatever it may be for your situation. And this is your roadblock that's stopping you from doing it. So you've got to get rid of those roadblocks first, and then the other things will come, right? This is the beginning of your new lifestyle, right? This is a life thing. This is not a Band-Aid to help you do something. I don't want you to take this and think you're going to fix this and then your whole life's going to change. And what I mean by that, it will change and allow you to do the things you could never do before and do it better, but it's not going to prevent you from or allow you to get away from the things that are you've taken debt on, right? And that's like student loans. I mean, we always talk about that. The student loans are not going to go away. It's just not going to show up on your report anymore, which will allow you to do other things. That's just another process that you'll have to deal with and contend with. What we're trying to do is help you to get in a better, healthy credit worthiness situation. And there's just so much weird stuff out there, these guys. You guys got to understand that this will change your life. This will allow you more opportunities. This will allow you to do the things that you want to do. But again, if you get this part right and you get in a better situation, then you can handle the other things easier. It's less stress. It allows you to be more comfortable with what's going on. Confidence will come from that and allow you to get to the next level.